Oh, welcome to Oxfordshire again, and here we are in this most delightful downland village of Letcombe Regis, where we've got a house here that is a detached 4/5 bedroom property that suits a family looking to expand and improve the home. There are fantastic views to the rear, as well as being close to Wantage, the town centre, only 2 miles away, with bus services and transportation and all your daily needs. Oxford's not far away, and there's also excellent schools within the local area. I'd like you to come and take a look at Timberdown. Set in one of Oxfordshire's most picturesque downland villages, Letcombe Regis. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle with over 2,100 square feet of versatile living space, countryside views front and back, and a room to grow and create something quite special. This striking 4/5 bedroomed home blends timeless charm with family-focused design. And if you're looking for a rural piece without compromise, Timberdown is well worth your full attention. So I hope you like the property. I would love to show it to you, so please call me to arrange your viewing. Thank you for watching.